If you're tired of tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling in the middle of the night, and waking up exhausted, you've probably already heard about U-Sleep. In this U-Sleep review, I want to share some important details you should know before buying. In this quick video, I'll tell you everything you must know before you buy, and how to avoid the biggest mistake most people make when using it. So, what exactly is U-Sleep? According to the manufacturer, U-Sleep is an all-natural, nano-enhanced liquid formula designed to support your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Instead of relying on high-dose melatonin or synthetic supplements that can leave you feeling groggy the next morning, U-Sleep is formulated to work with your brain's natural sleep pressure system. By supporting adenosine buildup and calming your nervous system, it helps you fall asleep naturally and, most importantly, stay asleep through the night without those brutal middle-of-the-night awakenings. So what makes this formula different? What caught my attention is that it combines ingredients like red Tart Cherry Extract, Magnesium Glycinate, GABA, L-Theanine, lemon balm, and a low dose of melatonin. According to the manufacturer, these ingredients work together to promote relaxation, support a healthy sleep cycle, and help provide a deeper, more restorative sleep. But here is the most important warning: consistency is key. The manufacturer explains that helping your body rebuild healthier sleep patterns is like physical therapy after an injury. If you stop too early, just because you feel better in the first week, your sleep patterns might drift back. According to the manufacturer, rebuilding healthier sleep habits can take around 3 to 6 months of consistent use, which is why they recommend giving the formula enough time to work. For that reason, many people choose the multi-month packages, which also include free shipping and bonuses such as Dr. Collins' Wind Down Routine Bundle. Now, is it safe to try? Yes, because the manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can try U-Sleep risk-free, and if you don't wake up feeling completely refreshed, you can get a full refund. If you decide that U-Sleep is right for you, make sure you order it only from the official website to avoid counterfeit products. I've left the official link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and sleep well.